Hey, good afternoon, Vantagepoint family members. Daniel here with Vantagepoint AI. I want to take a minute of your time to show you some incredible things that have been pulled out of Vantagepoint in the last couple of months here. We're looking at MedPlace Holdings. If you look at my screen right now, you can see right here the blue line crossed above the black line. The neural index was green. The predictive differences all pointed up, indicating this trend was expected to start going up. Why is that important? Look at this. In one trading day, this trend was up 25%, and just going crossover to crossover, you can see how it's up over 30%. We're talking about almost $20 per share. 2,000 shares of something like this, and you would have created over $4,000 in profit in just that one trade, right? And the blue line crossed below on 10-1, the neural index agreed, and all the predictive differences are pointing down, indicating, you know what? If you want to take that position and go short, you can. And if you just went till the closing bell here the other day, yesterday, that's $6.67 per share in profits, right? You can see very easy, very quickly how you could have made $1,200 on top of the $4,000 you already made. Here's another one that was pulled out of the IntelliScan. The blue line crossed above 918. It's clear. Predictive differences are pointing up. The predicted neural index is all there. Everything is a go for this trend forecast that would have generated right now, looking at the forecast, 45%. We're talking about $32 per share, right? Again, just 100 shares of that is a $3,000 profit, guys. I wanted to show you these because the opportunities in Vantagepoint are endless if you understand how to interpret and how to find these different opportunities, which I know you do. And if you don't, call your coach. When the blue line crossed above, the neural index agreed here on 822. We're looking at the medicines company. That trend was forecasted to go up. It gapped up and then it just kept on running, and you can see it's up 62%, almost $22 per share right there in one trend, right? We're talking about tens and upon tens of thousands of dollars in profits. Look at this one, Rieta Pharmaceuticals. Blue line crossed above, the neural index agreed. You get it. You're a Vantagepoint user. You understand how to interpret the forecast, but look at this. If you had the opportunity to find this is up 132% in 12 trading days. It's $115 per share. Again, just simple 100 shares of that. And you're talking about an $11,000 profit in 12 trading days. Guys, this is the kind of information you're looking for. And if you're wondering where I'm finding it, that's why I'm so excited to talk to you today, because we are releasing a brand new sector in Vantagepoint called biotech. Look, on the left-hand side of my screen here, I've got 14 sectors in Vantagepoint now. Right here, biotechnology. The biotechnology is made up of stocks and companies that are focused on clinical improvements and medical states and things like that, different medications. And now there's a sector with close to 100 different opportunities available in that sector, all for the taking. We're talking about making 250% profit in just the 4 different stocks I've looked at today, and they are all in the biotech sector. This is something everybody should get. If you don't have it added to your Vantagepoint yet today, make sure you let your coach know you want to add that so you can take advantage of these opportunities, all right? Good luck and happy trading, everybody.